practice of yoga is believed to have started with the very dawn of civilization. The science of yoga has its origin thousands of years ago, long before the first religions or belief systems were born. In the yogic lore, Lord Shiva is seen as the first yogi or Adi Yogi and the first guru or Adi Guru. Several thousand years ago, on the banks of Lake Kanti Sarovar, Adi Yogi poured his profound knowledge into the legendary Saptarshi or seven sages. The sages carried this powerful yogic science to different parts of the world, including Asia, the Middle East, Northern Africa, and South America.
On behalf of the Adamus World School family, I extend a warm welcome to the august gathering present here today to celebrate yoga as a form of life, essence spiritual, the pathway to healthy body and mind. It is an ancient practice that originated in India, finding its mention in the Rig Veda, the Upanishads, and has been promoted world over due to its health and spiritual benefits. Today, we have with us an eminent guest, Sri Sanjeev Kumar S. Hadagali. Let me introduce you all to our guest through a video presentation.
Here to illuminate the meeting, since we don't have the stages anymore, we have Mr. Sanjeeva Kumar S. Hadagali, founder of Shiva Yoga Mandir in Dharwad, bronze medalist in the Asian Yogasana Championship at South Korea 2019, and experienced in teaching yoga for 29 years in both the country and abroad. Please put your hands together for Mr. Sanjeeva Kumar S. Hadagali.
Thank you. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन रूपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां अंजलिं प्राञ्जलिं रानतोऽस्मि। ओम शांति शांति शांति। A very good evening, everyone. Actually, you just heard the introduction of the yoga through video, and it's mentioned that Patanjali Maharshi is the one who made a set of practice and introduced to the practitioners. So, who is the main person? Adi Yogi Shiva is the first person. For that reason, I have put my yoga center name is Shiva Yoga Mandir. So I am very delightful and then inspiration by Lord Shiva, and then I'm the fully devotee of Lord Shiva. So this is the reason my yoga center name is called Shiva Yoga Mandir. Okay, but right now almost what I want to say already it's mentioned in a video clip. But apart from that one, there are something which you have to follow. Okay, maybe you are 20 or 30 people in one class. Okay. So all of you don't get more than 90 marks. So some of the people, they get hard, or we can say naturally God gift, they can get more than 90 marks. But what about other children? Those who have maybe deficiency of the memory power, like you may be not able to study more harder. Okay, doesn't matter if I get 35, 40 marks, I will get passed. Then that is also okay. But those who want to come forward, and those who want to do something better than someone, then this yoga will help. How? So in the beginning, at the small age also, if you practice yoga, if you practice pranayama, and you must practice meditation, that is called in our language dhyana. Without dhyana, it doesn't work on your mind. Asana and pranayama works on your endurance, body flexibility, but mind is the only one which is worked by dhyana.
Yoga is not just a discipline, it is a stairway. A stairway to unification of body and mind, a stairway to the elevation of the soul. For the last 15 months, stuck indoors, we have realized that living in a huge mansion is no more cagey than a single room if you are not allowed to be free.
My name is Shamik Nath. I read in class 5. I joined Adamus World School in the year 2017. From then onwards, I attend regular yoga classes which benefited me a lot to learn yogas and asanas. This depth knowledge in yoga and asanas gave me confidence to participate in many yoga competitions. I achieved first position in the Summer E-Vista competition 2020 in the event Chitta Suddhi. I also participated in the International Yoga Day, which is celebrated in our school on 21st June.
Therefore, freedom is not just a lot of space. It is a state of mind also known as moksha and kaivalya. And the best way to reach that state of mind is through yoga.
I am Indrajit Kaur of class 7B at Adamus World School. I have participated in Bangumantri Yoga Competition 2021. I practice yoga every day at morning. It helps me to concentrate in my studies and every work. If we practice yoga every day, it keeps our body disease free, flexible and increase in our immunity power of our body. Thank you.
Throughout the period of the pandemic, Adamus World School has taken measures to make sure that the kids feel at home while staying at home. The kids who used to spend their entire days playing with their friends have had to resort to a black mirror and internet to talk to them. So we have stepped up and made sure that the kids don't get frustrated and bored. Through the amazing power of yoga, we have tried to restore positivity and mental stimulation of the students, just the way we used to do when the schools were open. Dance yoga is a form that combines both the swift movements of dance with the perfect balance and calmness of yoga. While it might sound paradoxical to you, our kids at Adamus World School have been perfecting the art since day one.
Namaskar, I am Hiya Basu, class 6B, Adamus World School. I used to do yoga in every basis. Practicing yoga, I got more flexible and achievement, more stamina and strength. School has given extra effort on practicing yoga.
Swaminath Paripalaya Shumam Swaminath Paripalaya Shumam Swaminath Paripalaya Shumam Sabrakash Vallesh Guru Sabrakash Vallesh Guru Deva Sanisha Sabrakash Vallesh Guru Deva Sanisha Swaminath Paripalaya Shumam Swaminath Paripalaya.
Hello everyone, I am Bhumika Mazumdar of Standard 12 Humanities from Adamus World School. I stood first in yoga at Calfest Inter-School Fiesta 2020. I practice yoga on an everyday basis, which helps me gain more flexibility, strength and stamina.
Shiva ko dharale, Shiva ko dharale.
अपनी संस्कृति अपना ले तू भारत के तू युवा भारत का गौरव बढ़ा दे तिरंगे तिरंगे को छुआ, तिरंगे को छुआ, तिरंगे को छुआ।
Namaskar. I am Piyali Raha of class 10. I do yoga in everyday basis. By doing so, I became more flexible and I got more stamina and strength. Our school has given extra effort on practicing yoga.
In our panel of dignitaries, we have our very own yoga teacher, Mishti Chakraborty, who is a dynamic yoga practitioner in the World Yoga Society, a renowned yoga therapist in MSSI, and a winner of multiple state and district level yoga competitions for 2 decades.
Before my performance, I would like to offer my all gurus, my parents, my mentors, my all of teachers and students, and also my children. Nowadays, we're going through a very tough time due to going on and pandemic. It's very important for all of us to take care how to release our mental and physical health. Nowadays, I'm showing some yoga and meditation for release our physical and mental health. Namaste. Jai Shri Krishna.
Fair enough. खूप भाলো বাচ্চা মুক্তি ম্যাডাম। Really good.
Dear students and all of guardians, please do practice with me. Two, Bashara 2 and 3 and 4. It's back in your left leg. And it's a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And continue to the right leg. 9 and 10 Next. I'm showing you Tadasana. Just 2 inch gap in your feet. It's a very important for students, for children, for concentration and increase your height. And slowly upward your hand. And slowly after that, up your foot heel. And hold enough 15 seconds. And then release. You do practice a Tadasana every day, 2 or 4 times. Next, we do a Trikonasana. Wide your both leg and wide your both hands. And move your right leg at that side. And slowly down your right feet and touch you. And another hand in upward and look upward. And slowly release. And to another side. Hold enough 15 seconds. Take normal breathing. And slowly up. It's a phase of 1. And due to your practice regularly 2 or 4 times, it's best for your back, release your back problem, increase your concentration and digestion system. And to practice, it's very important for students. Next, we do Ustrasana. It's a camel pose. It's a very important for concentration, memory recharge, and release your back problem. Stand your knee. And for your both hands and then back and touch your feet. And take breathe. No. and hold in 15 seconds. After that, release your both hands and take a rest. You to practice a regular 2 or 4 times. It's very important for all ages. Dear guardians and students, please practice with me. Next, we do in a cobra pose. Cobra pose is a very important for all ages people because it helps to reduce our lower back pain and release our stress. Set your both hands. Bend your arm. Put your feet outside. And slowly, slowly upward to your back. And hold in a 15 seconds. Take normal breathing. And slowly, slowly down your chest. Next, we do in a Salavasana. It's a very important for release our lower back pain and increase our digestion system. Hold in a 15 seconds. After that, you can release and take a rest. Next, we do in a Pavanmuktasana. It's very important for our mental stress and our physical stress, reduce our abdominal problems, and helps to digestion system, helps to reduce our abdominal problem. Pressure from your right leg. Keep your hands tightly and hold in a 50 seconds. And take normal breathing. It's a single, and double leg in a one side. And take rest. You should practice regular 2 or 4 times. And then next, we do practice now Ulam Vilam Pranayama. It's a very important for reduce our mental stress, our anxiety, our breathing problem. Then you set in your hand, right hand set in your Nasagra Mudra, hold in your index finger, middle finger, open in your ring finger and finger and thumb. And another hand set in your Dhyan Mudra of your another nose. Slowly, slowly take breath. And release in your abdomen, nasal The stem is clear very thinly. And take breathe in a same nose and release in your another nose. It's a state of a one, but do practice regularly and minimum 10 times. Next we do in Brahmadi. It's a very important for good sleep, mental stress, and concentration for children and everyone. Set in your hand, thumb finger set in your ear, and another finger set in your forehead, eyes, and below the nose. And sound in a just like a Brahma. It's a minimum to practice in 10 times every day. And end of all, you do practice, you should practice in a meditation. It's a must for mental stress and physical fitness and concentration. Then a set of hand and Gyan Mudra and chant of Om. To concentrate in your forehead, middle of the forehead, and then chant of Om. Om. You should practice regularly. Meditation. Namaste. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you. Thank you, Mishti ma'am. If we all follow this as a, method of life, or choose this as a pathway for us, it would be so much, so much of benefit for our health and our mind both together. So with this, it is my privilege to now propose a vote of thanks to conclude the events of the day. I would like to begin by saying, in the words of John F. Kennedy, we must find time to stop and thank the people who make a difference in our lives. So, respected Director of Education and Acting Principal of Adamus World School, Dr. Sugata D'Souza, respected Vice Principal, Mrs. Swati Goswami, respected Junior In Charge, Mrs. Debaruti Debanerjee, our special guest of the day, Mr. Sanjeeva Kumar S. Hadagali, our yoga teacher, Mishti Chakraborty, all dignitaries, dear students, our most valued parents and guests, ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of Adamus World School and the entire team, extend a warm vote of thanks to all of you for being a part of this Essence Spiritual, the pathway to healthy body and mind, and making it a grand success. A special thanks to our eminent guest, Mr. Sanjeeva Kumar S. Hadagali, for sparing his precious time and for his inspiring words. We will definitely take you up on your advice, sir. Thanks to our yoga teacher, Mishti Chakraborty, for the demonstration and for teaching us a few important postures as a pathway to a healthy body and mind. My heartfelt thanks to our Director of Education and Acting Principal, Dr. Sugata D'Souza ma'am, our Vice Principal, Mrs. Swati Goswami ma'am, and our Junior In Charge, Mrs. Debaruti Debanerjee ma'am, for taking the initiative to celebrate yoga as a way of life. A special thanks to all the members of the IT team and the marketing team for their constant support in making this event a successful one. Thanks to the dedicated teachers, team of Adamus World School for making it happen. And thanks to all our dear parents, students, and guests for making the event a successful one. Together, we rock. Thanks once again. I think we can end the webinar now.